Ever wonder how a simple click of a mouse can pull up nearly any piece of information in the world? It's like magic, isn't it? But there's no sorcery here, just some really impressive technology. Today we're diving into the complex, fascinating world of the internet and web technology. First, let's consider the internet as a whole. Think of it as an enormous library, but instead of books, it's filled with billions of web pages. These web pages are stored on servers, which are essentially high-powered computers. When you type a URL into your browser, your computer sends a request to the server where that web page is stored. The server sends back the web page and your browser translates it into the site you see on your screen. But how does your computer know where to send the request? That's where DNS, or domain name system, comes in. It's like a phone book for the internet. When you type in a URL, the DNS translates it into an IP address, which is a series of numbers that identifies the server where the web page is stored. Now, let's talk about HTTP and HTTPS. These stand for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, respectively. HTTP is the system that allows for the transfer of data on the web. HTTPS is the same thing, but with an added layer of encryption for security. Ever notice how some websites start with www and others don't? That's because www is actually not a part of the web address. It's a subdomain, often used for the web version of a service, as opposed to mail for the email version or FTP for the file transfer protocol version. So to summarize, the internet is a vast library of web pages stored on servers. When you type a URL into your browser, the DNS translates it into an IP address, so your computer knows where to send its request. The server sends back the web page and your browser displays it. HTTP and HTTPS are the systems that allow for the transfer of data on the web, with HTTPS offering an added layer of security. And www is just a subdomain, not a necessary part of the web address. Complex as it might seem, this intricate dance of technology happens in the blink of an eye, every time you click a link or type in a URL. It's these systems and protocols that make the internet such a powerful tool and an integral part of our daily lives. So, the next time you surf the web, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of technology that makes it all possible.